Working with a financial consultant in India can offer a range of benefits, whether you are an individual looking to manage your personal finances or a business owner seeking to optimize your financial strategies. In this article, we will explore 5 key benefits of working with a financial consultant in India. Expertise and experience. A financial consultant in India has the necessary expertise and experience to provide you with sound financial advice. They are familiar with the Indian market and have a deep understanding of the country's financial laws and regulations. They can help you to make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Tailored financial solutions. A financial consultant in India will work with you to understand your financial goals and develop a customized financial plan to achieve them. They will take into account your income, expenses, and assets to create a plan that is tailored to your specific needs. This can include investment strategies, tax planning, retirement planning, and more. Save time and effort. Managing your finances can be time-consuming and complex, especially if you lack financial knowledge or experience. A financial consultant in India can save you time and effort by handling the complex financial tasks on your behalf. They will monitor your investments, review your financial plan, and make adjustments as needed, allowing you to focus on your other priorities. Maximize your returns. A financial consultant in India can help you to maximize your returns by identifying the best investment opportunities and managing your portfolio. They will provide you with insights into the Indian market and help you to make informed investment decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Objective advice. A financial consultant in India provides objective advice that is not influenced by personal interests or biases. They will work in your best interest to help you achieve your financial goals. They can also provide you with a fresh perspective on your financial situation and offer insights that you may not have considered. In conclusion, working with a financial consultant in India can offer a range of benefits. Whether you are an individual or a business owner, a financial consultant can help you to achieve your financial goals, save time and effort, maximize your returns, and provide you with objective advice. If you are looking to take control of your finances and achieve financial success, consider working with a financial consultant in India.